Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. Now, for your early morning look at financial news and activity in audio and video form, here's the Morning Market Mimosa.
Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast, presented as always by Tusk Media. It's Thursday, August 4th, 2016. Happy to be here after a long day of work yesterday. A lot of work. All work, no pod means Austin takes over. Austin did a great job yesterday. We're going to hit on some of the topics he even discussed. But thanks to Austin. Austin's time here is coming to a close, folks. We're going to fire him in really dramatic fashion because that's how we like to end summer internships at the end of the summer. He is going to get fired. We might even do it on live TV. Maybe we'll do it today during the Investing Podcast Live at 4:15. Stay tuned to find out. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Futures. Up a little bit across the board. Dow futures are up 18, S&P futures up 13, NASDAQ futures up 2. Gold futures are up as well. Oil lagging just a little bit. Oil down about 20 basis points. So on a futures basis, we're oil shy of having a full-on greengasm, so that's kind of exciting. Jobs report came out. Jobless claims rose 3,000 up to 269,000. So jobless claims on the rise, 10-year Treasury remaining at 1.517% yield. So still hanging tight right there. No change there on the yield. Bank of England, however, has changed some things. They are cutting interest rates for the first time in 7 years. So perhaps this has continued to fall out from the B word. We don't talk about Brexit, but might be what's going on there. Tesla, a couple other random stories here as we're flying through. Austin talked about Tesla, compared Elon Musk to Janet Yellen and how little he's willing to say. I'm going to take it a step further and say that when your company loses money quarter after quarter, you can't really say, and he said this, that, quote, Tesla is not really a money-losing business. Every quarter, Tesla loses money. So right now, Tesla is a money-losing business. Maybe next quarter it won't be. But this quarter it was, and the quarter before that it was, and the quarter before that it was, and the quarter before that it was, and guess what? We could keep doing this over and over. So Elon Musk, when you do say things, they're not usually accurate, so keep an eye out for that. Trump, there's going to be a Trumpervention, a Trump intervention led by Newt Gingrich and Rudy Giuliani. So add that to the long list of ridiculous headlines that are almost impossible to believe. That is actually happening. We're going to wrap it up here quick, to the point, lots of data coming at you. A couple things that we want to leave you with, though. The Investing Podcast Live today, Thursday, 4:15 p.m. Check us out on Twitter. All you have to do is go to Twitter right here at Tusk Media LLC. Right around 4:15, 4:20, something like that. We will tweet out a link. We're going to have a couple of folks, special guests here. Our fall intern is going to be here checking things out. We're going to try to get 2 mics up here. Maybe get the unit himself, Matthew Krebsbach, up here to co-host the Investing Podcast with me. I think that'd be a good way to break him in, one that's live, make him really do it under the pressure. So I think that's going to be a good time. Lastly, awesome notepad because it has an awesome sticker on it. Tweet at us at Tusk Media LLC. Say, I want a sticker. We'll send you one. We got tons of these bad boys. They're really awesome. We got them on cars. We've got them on blender bottles for our protein shakes so that you can have the body of a podcaster. We've got them on our cars. If you want to drive like a podcaster, that's the easiest way to do it. We've got them everywhere. So hit us up at Tusk Media LLC. We'll fire out some of these stickers at you. Again, they're pretty awesome. They're high quality. Scotty the intern hooked that up. We're excited about them. Y'all have a great day. Going to try to get to you at lunchtime. If it's not me, it'll be Austin or somebody else. And definitely, 4:15, we're going to go live. We're coming at you hard. Y'all have a great day.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.